Hello, we are Samuel and Nerea, and we're going to speak about snails and slugs.
Now we are going to speak about snails.
The habitat. There are many types of snails, aquatic snail and land snail. The aquatic snail live in the fresh water, and the land snails live in the land but in wet places.
The snails are herbivorous and they eat many things, for example plants, fruits, vegetables, algae and more. When they have food, eat the land, and they need very much calcium to reinforce his cells.
Physical description. There are many colors. Red, brown, yellow, and white. The largest measure is 30 centimeters and 600 grams. It is similar to a slug, but with shell.
Now we are going to speak about slug.
The habitat. The slugs live in humid habitat, for example, jungle and marsh. But in Navarre, only you can see slugs when it rains.
The slugs are very varied, are vegetal and usually eat the plants.
Physical description. The slug's measures is 5 to 6 centimeters, depending on the species. The head has got 4 antennae, two long and two short. This is a long and this is a short. There are different colors, but usually are black and brown, like this.
And we have finished.